Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Are You Still Watching on Netflix. First, here's the important thing you should know. Netflix doesn't have a setting to fully turn off Are You Still Watching. Here's a button or option in the app to disable it permanently. Netflix uses the message to save internet data, stop shows from playing when no one is watching. So even without autoplay on, the message can still appear. What you can do instead? When the message appears, simply select continue watching. Use your remote, phone or controller. That shows will start playing again right away. Another helpful trick is to interact with Netflix once in a while. Pause, rewarding, skip episode or open the menu lets Netflix know you are still there. If you are on TV, keep the remote nearby and press any button occasionally. If you are watching on a phone, tablet, tap on the screen once in a while can help to delay that message. You can also go to the profile, tap on manage profile and tap on playback setting and enable autoplay. This won't remove the message completely, but it helps shows continue longer. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.